The lecture is given to you now. To think of the importance of self-control is the very matter of great consequence. With or without thinking of the importance of this matter, you have the totally different quality of living every day. Now you have two alternatives. The one is you just live according to your natural feeling. Usually people love experiencing so. In a sense, it is beautiful for you to live naturally. Then, what I'm talking about is not only living by natural feeling, but also thinking of the importance of discipline yourself. You don't have to behave. Nevertheless, what you need shall be discipline. So, talking of two alternatives, the one is you just live according to a natural feeling. The other one is all the time you have your discipline to live richly. You control yourself. You think of yourself to be guided to be, disciplined to be, breathing richly. Aim high and you will strike high. If you wish to live standing upon a higher stage, you need to be disciplined to be breathing richly. If you are successful in controlling yourself, you can control your life. This means you need to be disciplined to be reasonable all the time as one of beings who wishes to be more reasonable. To think of reasonability of how you live is fundamental. The lecture shall be finished now.